Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what I do when I'm out of alignment, and I'm going to show you how I know when I'm out of alignment, and I'm going to show you the exact steps to take to get back on course and make the day correct. Here's what I do. First of all, how do I know that I'm out of alignment? Because my beliefs are telling me that. I'm having those old thoughts, those old beliefs, those old patterns rise up in my consciousness. And what's happening is they're throwing me out of alignment. When you have those instances where you're off, that is your higher self, the universe, explaining to you, please look at me. You are out of alignment. So what I used to do is when thoughts and beliefs would come up, I would allow my emotions to run wild, and they would just take me down in the gutter. And my whole day was ruined, and it just wouldn't end until I learned how to do this. When they pop up, realize that is your cue to know you're out of alignment. And here's what I do. I center myself. Just like we do in meditative practices. I center myself. Breathing. I allow those things to be. I do not resist them. I allow them to be. I bring myself into that separate form of the I am consciousness, of the I am self. I know that that is not really me. And I know that it's just my cue to center. And that's what I do. And here's what I do. I breathe. Already, I'm in that space because I've been practicing this for a very long time. Years and years. If you're new to this, it might take a little time. Just sit there and separate. Don't resist. Separate. Allow it to be. Then I take those beliefs out of that awareness and I look at it. Whatever it is, traumatizing, negative, whatever it is. And I say this in my imagination to those beliefs, to those off-centering feelings that are happening. Thank you. Thank you for showing me that I was out of alignment. Thank you. I am so grateful that now I know how to recognize and bring myself back to that centered, neutral space. That's step one. Then, in this centered space, with this gratitude around whatever that is, no resistance, very freaking key. Do not resist. After you've given your gratitude towards it, thank you. Then you simply say, I love you. Whatever it is, to whomever person, to whatever situation, express your love, your unconditional love to that which is just there to show you. That is your gold. That is your diamond. It is showing you. Allow it to. Thank it. Express the gratitude for it. Express the unconditional love. Unconditional. Then that belief, all of those feelings, they're still there. Do not resist. It debilitates them. It neutralizes them so that now they do not control you. And in turn, I know that this will happen in the future. Maybe not right now, but by me doing this, it will show me a better path to take. That is super, super key, my friend. Do this. Try this the next time you feel out of alignment, when you feel those beliefs and those emotions just flowing up and popping to the surface. Just step away, express gratitude, express the love, and you will change your life. Peace, my friend.